Welcome to Aquanique number 207. This gorgeous condo has been lovingly renovated from top to bottom. Quartz countertops, a beverage center. Aquanique offers a long list of amenities, granite beach access, and of course, the gorgeous ocean view. I can't wait to show you all the cool amenities. A fantastic kitchen for parties and get-togethers. You can even work off those extra calories before you head to the pool. Everybody needs a billiards room, right? And extra storage, you are kidding me. Aquanique offers worry-free living, new roof, balconies redone, and a plethora of amenities.